Check out your boys, Black Widow Sound Entertainment. You know what they do. They do one thing. Check out they boat ride too, Miami Vice, August 24th. And come check us out at the barbershop, Traveling Barbers, 129 East High Street. We them boys, we in here. Get your tickets. Be there, be square.
You hear that, people? I go mad things. Sell off. Turn up. Boom up.
You know what they do, one thing. This here, they do one thing. Black Widow Sound, baby.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, son. This is right here. That's my barber right here. You see him? See him? That's one of them right here. It's one right here. Yo, the last time you said you had
Big things.
That's my other barber right here. Corey there.
Come to the
Hey, he's gonna shut it down. You see that shit? My other barber right here, Carter right here, son.
And I'm doing my song too, She Bad.
Yo,
Who that pretty motherfucker? She bad. Who that pretty motherfucker? She bad. Who that pretty motherfucker? She bad. Who that pretty motherfucker? She bad in the mother. And you gonna be in the video too, baby.
My bad. My other barber right here, son. You know you got your shit unlocked.
soon come.
Soon come. Hold up. I'm gonna say, yo, it's the best barber shop in Pottstown right now. I'm telling you, every weekend we here get our cuts, get looking nice for tonight. You know, Miami Vice, August 24th, we done a thing, turn up loud. You know what I'm saying? Slippy way I say, crazy way I say.
August 24th thing mad. The whole barbershop, the whole of Pottstown, this thing set up, this thing tilt, turn up.
You heard? Boom up.